I am a co-lead, and there are several of us in the room, of this new project called Repair, which is a study of biophilic living. Biophilic living essentially means life-loving, but in practice it's a method of design and also a way of being in urban spaces which also incorporate nature, green spaces. Am I controlling this, or are you? Oh, brilliant. It's a response to the need to develop climate resilience, and our project focuses on this 30 million biome complex in Swansea, which is a deep retrofit of an old Woolworths building with social housing, office space, retail space, and it will be run by a community interest company. Thank you. So, I mean, our questions are broadly about finding for people, nature, and the city, pathways for greater use of biophilic retrofitting, but where Repair is kind of focused is on an arts and humanities-led study of the human experience of this building and of the wider city, looking at the culture and values at the heart of biophilic design and living, and looking at the barriers and drivers. So it's engaging directly with things like finance, with regulation, with technical tools for change, but also education and training and skills, and so that we will be able to deliver evidence-based and replicable pathways to biophilic living internationally. Skip that one. So there are a lot of us, 15 co-leads and all sorts of other partners, 4 societal leads, 11 academics, and we have developed this braided structure which actually speaks to many of the things that other presenters have talked about, but which I don't have time to go into. Next slide. So we're taking this story back from, you know, the Blitz and before, what this place was, through Swansea's industrial past, into what, you know, this new building and the experience of that. Next slide. And beyond. So we're using various arts and co-creation methodologies to imagine what Swansea and what cities internationally could become. Next slide. All this is happening in the context of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. So its Welsh context matters and its national context matters. Next slide. And finally, the other element of this project, as well as looking at the performance and the experience of this building and its place in global biophilic networks, is this other part of the project, which is about how we work together, how disciplines work together, but how we work using this team convening approach, which has been developed by Liverpool University. So we are also studying ourselves and looking at how we can work together in a transdisciplinary model to ask better questions and achieve better outcomes. Thank you.